High above the Pepcon plant, on top of Black Mountain, a local repair crew is doing routine maintenance on a TV tower. They have a clear view of the valley floor.
We had stopped for lunch, and somebody noticed there was a fire burning down in the valley. I had a video camera, so I set it up and pointed it at the fire.
Oh! Ooh, that's going to be loud.
We watched the shock wave crawl up the mountain at lightning speed.
Under the factory, a high-pressure gas pipeline ruptures.
And another one.
The high-pressure line injects fuel directly into the heart of the blast, triggering a cataclysmic explosion.
Wow, those are loud!
The second explosion was 10 times greater than the first one, so we were very concerned about what we were in for this time.
Next thing I realize, I'm laying upside down. We're getting out of here. I'm scared.
I've seen boxcars, railroad cars parked right next to the plant. They were flipped over, completely flipped.